Hello guys, it's me Niraj and this is the 10th video of Appwrite with Web. So today we will be starting our project, that is Image Hub. So in this video we will be covering three topics. First one is we need to create anonymous login session for the user. Then only we can upload the image in Appwrite storage. And next one is we will upload the image in Appwrite. And third one is we will view the images in cards from Appwrite storage. So let's get started. So to create anonymous login session, let's go to account API. And let's go to create anonymous session. Now here you can see we will be using .create anonymous session method. Let's go to our code and open our server. Now this is our page. Let's create anonymous session. So to do that, let's go to our app.js. First let me get the uploaded image from the user. So let's create one state. So now I have created one state called image. This will store the image uploaded by the user. So when this file changes, this will set the image to e.target.files and this will upload the first image. And when upload button is clicked, then upload image will be triggered and event will be passed. After that, this event will be caught from here and this will prevent the page from refreshing. Now let's add some more code here. So to use account API, I have gone to my Appwrite config and made another export called account, and this initialized the account SDK. Now let's go to our app.js. I have imported both account and storage in our code. This will get the current session of the user and store it in user. So if user is logged in or user exists, then this will trigger the storage.create file and it will pass the image. And this one is the read permission and this is the write permission. Let's see here. Here you can see it takes file, read and write. So reading permission will be everyone. So star means everyone. Let's add here too. And after this image is uploaded, now this will log it in the console. Otherwise, if user does not exist, then this will run and this will create one anonymous session for the user. After that, this will upload the image and store it in new image, and new image will be logged in the console. So let's give it a try. Let's choose the file, open it and upload. Here you can see our image has been uploaded. This is our image ID, permission, date created, name of the image and other details. So let's go to our console, that is Appwrite console. Let's open our project. Now let's go to storage. So here you can see our image has been uploaded. The ID of the file is this. Now you can see all the details. This is the read and write permission. Now our next step is to get all the images from our storage. So to do that, let's go to storage API and let's go to list files. So we will be using list files method to get all the images. So let's go to our code. So here you can see I have used use effect to get the images. Now when our page load for the first time, use effect will be triggered and this will run the get image function, and after it runs, then this will go to storage and run the list file method and get all the images and store it in images. Then we will log it in the console. So let's go to our page. Here you can see we have got array of images. All our images are inside files. So let's log the files. So here you can see we have got the list of images. Now we will be using .map function of JavaScript to display all the images in cards. Let's first store the image in our state. So let's create a new state. I have made one state called image list, and this will store all the files of images. So here you can see I have created one map of image list, and this will get the single image and return the map for each image. So let's see how we can get the preview of each image. Let's go to storage API and let's click on get file preview. So here you can see we will be using get file preview to get the preview of the file, and we need to pass the unique file ID. So we can get the file ID from this image, and this returns resource URL. Now we need to add file preview here. So let's delete this and add. Now let's save this and give it a try. So here you can see I have got the image from the storage. Let's upload another image. Now let's refresh this. We have got one error. So let's fix this. So to fix that, we just need to add one check before mapping our array. That is, if image list exists, then only we will run a map. So let's write image list exists, then this will map through it. So let's save it and see. So here you can see we can see both the uploaded image. So let's upload another one. Let's upload this again and let's refresh this. So here you can see we can upload and view the images in real time. So this much for today. If you like the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. In the next video we will configure this delete and download button.